Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the unboxing of the residential project Khandelwal Nirvan Crest by Khandelwal Group located in Borivali West, Mumbai. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the sales office, which is also the actual land parcel of the project, and you can see the tower's construction is in full swing. You can also see the main road and the neighborhood of the project. In this video, we will be discussing about points like project overview, location and connectivity, internal and external amenities, master plan, floor plan, carpet area analysis, parking, possession, maintenance, pros and cons and much more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now, talking about the project overview, this project is constructed on a land parcel of 2 acres that will have total of 4 towers. As you can see in the model, it will have 4 towers which will be developed phase-wise, where 2 towers completed and launched tower 2 named as Lakshya and Reserve, with ground plus 22 floors having 1 BHK, 2 BHK and Jodi apartment premium residences. And now, talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located near Maxis Cinema behind Gorai Bus Depot, from where Borivali Metro is only at a distance of 5 minutes, Borivali Railway Station is only at a distance of 2.5 kilometers and Link Road is only at a distance of 1.5 kilometers from the project. And to know about more properties in this location, don't forget to click on the I button. And now, talking about the amenities, in internal amenities, you will be getting vitrified tiles, granite kitchen platforms, stainless steel sink and many more. And talking about the external amenities, this project has 50 plus luxurious amenities. As you can see in the model, it will have an infinity swimming pool, gym, senior citizen zone, kids play area, indoor games, banquet halls, garden and many more amenities within the project. And now, talking about the parking part, this project has MLCP car park facilities. Now, let's have a look at the floor plan analysis. As you can see in the image, this is the typical floor plan of tower, each floor having 8 flats, 5 lifts plus 1 fire lift, total 6 and 2 staircases on each floor. And now, let's talk about the unit plans. As you can see, this is the typical unit plan of 1 BHK of 427 square feet, and this is the typical unit plan of 2 BHK of 620 square feet. And now, talking about the maintenance varies with configuration, with 1 BHK maintenance ranging between 6,000 to 7,000 and 2 BHK maintenance ranging between 8,000 to 9,000 per month. And now, talking about the possession, the RERA possession date for the project is of December 2029, but the target possession is for December 2027. And now, talking about the pros and cons of the project, for that you can visit our website www.housey.com.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project unboxing videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.